So you want to know how I lost weight? Keep watching. Hey y'all, I'm back. So today's topic is a highly requested video, and so many of my friends have asked me to make this video because, as you already know by the title, how to lose weight and how to gain weight. So coming back to what you should eat. This is your body. It is not a dustbin. So many ladies just eat garbage, and when I talk garbage, I'm talking about junk foods, I'm talking about pizzas, I'm talking about burgers, I'm talking about your sweets, cakes, candies, you name it. If you are somebody who is eating junk, you're just putting garbage on your body. That shows you don't love yourself, because a lady who loves herself is not gonna treat her body like a dustbin. So girls or boys, whoever is listening this, do not treat your body like a dustbin. Okay? Have some vegetables in your diet, have some fruits in your diet. I know everybody knows what to eat, still they don't eat. And that's the irony. If you are really damn serious about losing weight, you need to know, you need to do that hard work, okay? You need to love your body, and you need to think before putting anything in your mouth, anything in your body. Is it gonna benefit your body for the long term, or is it just gonna be good for your taste and you will end up regretting eating it big time? Dieting doesn't mean stopping eating every single thing, okay? Dieting doesn't mean starving yourself. So many people just starve themselves and tell other people, I am dieting. No, you are not dieting, you are just starving yourself. Dieting means eating, but eating healthy. That's what dieting means. Okay, you girls are all doing it wrong. Dieting means eating healthy. Every single day you have to decide, you have to choose, you are gonna only eat healthy stuff. Okay, if you love yourself, you are definitely gonna eat only healthy stuff. So the next thing I do is I have completely stopped dairy and using wheat products. Now, so many people are like me, they have lactose intolerance body, they have gluten intolerance body. Even if you don't have lactose intolerance or gluten intolerance or any kind of other allergies, if you remove dairy from your diet, you're gonna look much more younger, because dairy promotes aging. And if you're somebody who wants to age gracefully like me, stop dairy products, stop using dairy products at all. Okay, so next thing is, dairy comes up with calcium intake. When you use dairy products like milk and all, it gives you calcium. Have calcium supplements. You can better have calcium supplements. Next thing is, stop eating sugar. Stop eating everything which is made up of sugar. I mean your sweets, I mean your cakes, pastries, your what else, you name it. Everything which is made up of sugar, either stop it completely or just reduce the intake of it. Okay? Next thing you can do is exercise in your home. How you can do exercise? You can do planks daily. Even 10 planks a day is enough for you girls. Okay, and if you don't like exercise, have a yoga mat, go for yoga, or Just meditate, sit there for a moment, meditate for 5-10 minutes, where you're gonna breathe heavily, properly, and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. You're gonna do that exercise, okay? And because when you breathe in and breathe out properly, the body cells receives oxygen and your hormones get balanced, and balancing your hormones are the most important thing when it comes to losing weight. One thing which everybody is doing wrong in today's world is not sleeping on the right time. So your body recovers itself between 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning. So by that time, if you are sleeping, you are in a sleep state properly, your body is gonna recover whatever blemishes you have, whatever pimples you have in your body, and it's gonna balance your hormones. But nowadays, ladies and gents, everybody don't sleep at the right time. Blame it your mobile phones or blame it on the digital world. The lot of options we have, lot of varieties we have nowadays to watch movies, Netflix and whatnot, or you are somebody who has a lot of work from office and you really need to be in front of computer all the single time. Try to sleep at the right time, okay? Between 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. is the right time. Try to take a good sleep at that time. One tip you can use is after having dinner. That's my personal experience also, that after having dinner, if you do your more and more rigorous body movements, you are gonna lose your weight. You are gonna lose a lot of weight. So there was a time in my life where after eating my dinner, I used to dance every single day and I lost so much of kgs. I became really thin. So you can utilize this tip, okay? And if somebody is watching who wants to gain weight, whose metabolism is really high, and you want to gain weight, you are not just able to gain weight, stop exercising after dinner, okay? Stop exercising completely after dinner. That's gonna affect your overall body structure, but know that these things are very gradual things, okay? It comes gradually. You are not gonna lose weight or gain weight in one day, okay? You have to do it repeatedly and continuously to the point where you actually start observing it in your body. It's just like if it is on your lips, forever on your hips. So be mindful of what you are putting in your body, what you are putting in your mouth, what you are eating, what you are drinking. Just be mindful of that. It's very important. If you are somebody whose mission is to lose weight, you need to have some discipline in your life. If it's a lady, yeah, if it's a boy, I don't care. You want to lose weight, give yourself 3 months, 4 months a goal. Like by this month, I want to be this much kg, okay? And to achieve this, it's an everyday hard work. Follow it, okay? People are giving you sweets, you don't know how to say no, you don't want to deny, just keep with it, and when they go off, either give it to somebody else or either you just throw it in the dustbin. I don't care, but you are not putting that sweet in your mouth. Point blank, period. You got it? Yeah. One more thing, so many girls, they do every single thing and they are still not able to lose weight. So what's going wrong in their body is you need to get a checkup with a doctor, because nowadays girls with PCODs, if you are suffering from PCOD, you are never gonna lose weight, okay? Because PCOD symptoms, I can't tell you, you can just Google it and you can just have a talk with your doctor and get an ultrasound to see if you have cysts in your body and or any other medical illness you are suffering in your body. You should ideally lose weight. If you're not able to lose weight, you know something is going really wrong in your body. So just listen to your body and go to a doctor, have an appointment with your doctor, check if you don't have PCOD, okay? Do not lose hope, okay? And if you're somebody who is curvy and still not okay with your body type, just know that there are different kinds of men and then there are different kinds of girls, okay? So there are slim girls, there are curvy girls, heavyweight girls, and there are men who like curvy girls, there are men who like slim girls, there are men who like short girls, there are men who like tall girls, there are men who like petite girls, there are men who like all different kinds of girls, okay? So do not feel like if you are curvy or if you are heavyweight, nobody's gonna like you. No, you're just maybe dealing with the wrong kind of man in your life who's telling you to lose weight. See, you gotta be healthy, okay? And slimness and curviness has nothing to do with it, okay? So embrace your curviness, embrace your heavyweight. Just make sure you are not obese. Obesity is a disease, so just make sure you are not obese, okay? And you will be fine. But if you are somebody who doesn't have passion in doing any of these other activities, dancing, walking, running, marathon, any other things, then gym is important for you. You have to go to the gym. There is no other way you are gonna lose weight, okay? Body movement is important because our body is designed to move. We are not supposed to sit at one place for long period of hours, sitting in the couch watching TV. We are not supposed to do that until or unless we are sleeping, until or unless we are doing our special work. Our body should move. I wanted to gain weight. My story is the reverse of losing weight. It's about gaining weight. I wanted to gain weight. I was only weighing 35 kg in my college time, in my even office time. So there came, because my metabolism was very high, because I used to dance every single day. Even if I'm going to parties, I will eat, but at the same time I'm dancing on the dance floor and I'm reducing whatever I'm eating, okay? So I lost a lot of weight, and there came a time in my life where I was like, I want to gain weight. So do one thing, just go in front of mirror, see your whole body, and then see where you want to lose weight and where you want to gain weight, okay? So where you want to lose weight, you need to move that part of your body a lot of number of times. That's what I did. I wanted to gain weight, and gaining weight is easy. I tell you, gaining weight is easy. You just have to sit back, relax yourself, eat, drink all kinds of sugar, all kinds of food, all kinds of fruit juices, okay? You're gonna gain weight. But if you want to gain weight with healthy tips, eat more vegetables, eat more fruits, eat more fruit juices, okay? Like that you can gain weight. And if you are suffering from any kind of deficiency, you know it, I will link down in the description box that multivitamin tablets. If you have vitamin D levels low, have vitamin D rice tablet. I'll again mention that in the link description below. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Until then, bye bye.